everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another great evening. So the secret to getting ahead is to getting started. So let's get started and let's get into this video. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, follow me on Instagram, and let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a quick Marshalls haul. So if you want to see what I bought, just keep on watching.
Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
So I went to Marshalls like another crazy person because I went to Marshalls after they opened for the quarantine. Me and my friend Carrie, we went to see if they had bargains and stuff because I did see that a lot of places were having really crazy sales on things because the stores have been closed for a couple months and then they recently reopened. So I'm gonna share everything I got with you, and everything I got it all on sale for these crazy prices. Okay, so we're gonna get with the goods first. I got this Sylvia Gianni Beauty BH Cosmetics palette. This palette will be in a future giveaway, but not today. This palette is beautiful. Look at the shades in it. They're very versatile, very gorgeous, and I can't wait to share it with one of you guys, one of these. So this palette I got for $6 and it was on red clearance, so it didn't get marked down to the last price. The last price they usually have like a yellow tag, but this one didn't. This one just had red. Nothing was wrong with it. They were just marking them down to get rid of it. The next thing I got was this Cover Effect Perfect Press Powder, and this is in the color medium. I'll open it and show it to you. Here's the packaging, and here's the color. It will work with my skin tone. It's really pretty. The packaging is very nice too. I like the little sponge it has, and I like that it has this little sewn on band, I guess if you want to call it, so it's easier to put powder up on your face when you need to just do a little touch up. This is really nice. And I only paid, again, $6 for this. Next item I got, this was really a steal. I got these 3 Stila All Fired Up Eye Trio. And this is in the colors All Fired Up. Look at that. So I'm going to take out all colors and show you. Okay, so here's the colors here. This is in the color Sunset Fire. This is the first one. It's kind of like an orangey gold type of color. Oh wow, look at that. This is going to be so beautiful to pop on the eyelid or on the corner of the eyelid or wherever you want to pop it. This next one is Burnished Sienna, and that is a very burnished sienna color. That is such a pretty coppery kind of glittery color. Oh, look at that one next to it. These colors are gonna look gorgeous on my skin tone color. I love it so far. And the last one is Follow the Sun. This has really nice vibes for the summer solstice tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear one to work. And then there's the last one. So pretty. This was literally still a steal. And this was $5. $5. The next item I was super excited about. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter in the color Royal. My favorite kind of purpley blue color. Look how beautiful this is. And nothing was wrong with it. Like it wasn't even touched or anything. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't want glitters to go everywhere, but I will be using this in my upcoming fall looks. This will be perfect for that. This was $2, like $2.50, sorry. $2.50. Like they were just giving things away at that point. And the last thing I got was these Kenzie Complete Natural Set Professional Eye Lashes. I got these actually to practice doing lashes because I do lashes as well, and I need to practice more on doing them. So I got these to practice doing individual lashes, and these were $6. So this was a good deal. And then I can also wear them if I wanted to, like wear it for a natural look. So I'm gonna go over everything again, starting with this. This is the lash set I got, was $6. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter in the color Royal was $2.50. These Stila eye toppers, all fired up, were $5. This Cover FX pressed powder was $6. And then this other palette, BH Cosmetics palette, was $6. So that was everything I got in this little tiny haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and soon, maybe one day, I'll actually go in and film in the stores, because I know a lot of people like to see those type of videos. I like to see those type of videos, so I might start doing that. Let me know in the comments below if that's something you would like for me to do. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So that was everything in my haul for this video. I hope all you birdies have a great evening. Follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe to this video, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody, have a good night.